Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Kaizer Chiefs goalkeeper Bruce Vuma has signed a new contract with the club, making him the longest-serving player at Amakhosi. Vuma has extended his stay with Kaizer Chiefs for one more year. The 31-year-old had his contract expiring on the 30th of June after signing an extension in 2024. The South African international spent most of the time last season as a backup goalkeeper to Brandon Peterson, who did very well. However, when he was called into action when Brandon Peterson was injured, Bruce Vuma kept 2 clean sheets in 5 games, helping Amakhosi to secure 3 wins. And Vuma is currently the longest-serving Kaizer Chiefs player, having made his debut in March 2017, meaning that he has been with Kaizer Chiefs for over 9 years. He is currently sitting with 84 appearances in all competitions for the Glamour Boys and helped the team to win the Nedbank Cup in 2025 under coach Nezraddin Nabi. So do you think that it was a good move for Kaizer Chiefs to extend Bruce Vuma's contract? Let me hear your thoughts. Midfielder George Matlow has penned a heartfelt goodbye to Kaizer Chiefs on Instagram, as his time at the club has come to an end. Here is what he wrote: "To my teammates that became my brother and my family, muito obrigado. Memories that I will cherish forever. Thank you so much to the coach and the rest of the technical team. To all the Kosi fans, thank you so much for all the love that you have given me." That's what George Matlow wrote on his Instagram. Stellenbosch FC has announced the signing of former Orlando Pirates utility player Thabiso Lebitso. The 30-year-old penned a long-term deal with the Wineland side, bolstering Gavin Hunt's side ahead of the 2026-27 campaign. Lebitso's move to the Steelies is part of a deal that saw midfielder Mteteli Mtiani head to the opposite direction, joining Orlando Pirates. Here is a statement from Stellenbosch. It says, "Stellenbosch Football Club is delighted to announce the acquisition of Thabiso Lebitso on a permanent transfer from Orlando Pirates. Stellenbosch FC has bolstered its squad ahead of the 2026-27 campaign, acquiring the services of a versatile defender, Thabiso Lebitso, on a long-term deal. Lebitso spent 2 seasons with Pirates, where he helped the Buccaneers to win the Betway Premiership, Carling Knockout, and back-to-back MTN 8 titles. We are pleased to welcome Lebitso to the Cape Winelands. He is a player who has constantly demonstrated his qualities at the highest level of South African football and brings valuable mix of experience and versatility to our squad. As a club, we are continuously aiming to improve and compete at the highest level, and the addition of a player of Lebitso's caliber strongly reflects that ambition. Lebitso will also reunite with head coach Gavin Hunt, under whom he featured during his spell with Chippa United earlier in his career. His jersey number will be revealed in due course." That's the statement from Steely CEO Rob Bernardi. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of this move by Thabiso Lebitso to join Stellenbosch FC? Is it a good move or not? That's the end of the news for today. See you next time.